This is Bob the horse. This is Ian, and this is Ian's first time off-road.
Just make sure you know which one's the horse and which one's Ian.
Let's have a go then. How's that feel?
Interesting.
The little CB is absolutely flying. What are you thinking?
Well, the big rider is hanging on for grim death half the time.
Doing a great job, mate. Doing a great job. Good man. How did that feel?
Wobbly. But I think I'm more scared of grabbing hold of the throttle and the bike leaving me behind.
Yeah. All about. What a fabulous day here in the Peak District. We've done about 10 or 15 miles of trails and we're just going to have a bit of coffee and chill now.
Yeah, if I can get that far.